Right, what's happening? So, originally this video was supposed to be a try not to laugh challenge with a BB gun involved, but the try not to laugh video did not record. So pretty much we're just going to let you watch us getting shot in the back with a BB gun multiple times. Make sure to stick around to see Brian getting shot 3 times in a row and rolling about like a little bitch about it. Like, subscribe, comment if you're enjoying the stupid videos such as these. Tell everybody about the console, we're up and coming, we're growing every single day. And let's get right into the video.
Them fools.
Hurry up.
They get wetted up. Who's getting shot first?
Me.
Turn right round.
You've been turn right round.
I'm turned around, man. Hurry up.
Right, that's done.
Why did you no. That wasn't that bad. That fucking ass.
That's everybody's reaction, isn't it?
Oh, shit sucks so much ass. That was right in the bone.
Take some cotton at me.
What's the bone next to the spine?
Shoot! Bitch ass!
Oh fuck, why did you shoot him?
3, 2, 1.
Lightbox, baby!
Did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed that well, but it's all turn again.
I don't know if I'm going to withstand 7 bullets.
7?
Went there. There.
Wait,
Alright.
did,
That's what I got shot.
Aye, that's what I just got shot at.
why him? Why him?
Right, you've been free.
Someone's got a baggy jumping on.
That didn't shot me. I don't think. Did that hit me?
Did something come out?
It's alright. Still one in there.
That didn't come out.
Chris, gonna do. I don't think I can last at all. 2 shots. I know I need
For the views.
I just might be dead.
For the 7 views.
Crying in tears. Just for 12 people to watch this.
No, because you've been there.
Right, so that's if you're gone, you know?
Exactly. I just want you to shoot me. Twice.
Shoot me first.
Nah, they'll shoot him twice.
Rapid fire twice? I fuck it, twice.
Hey, who's going first?
Do you want to have it? Nice, get it all in them, man?
Yeah, 2.
Why
When the same spot.
No, I hit man, he came out.
I know what it hit.
Why? Having a hood in it.
I sat and watched
Alright.
in the hood.
I hit me in the
Turn
hood.
round.
No,
Get your hood up.
fuck off, man. That's not even fair.
I bet how you in a hood, bro.
But it's still hit.
Twice, mate.
You said if I miss it, would it still count? That was just
How many
That's
have
a
you got?
fair point.
Right, how many have you got left?
2 more. You have after those 2 shots, I would have 2 left.
Jant 2 more right now.
No,
I bet nice and quick, over and done with
You
it.
gave him a break.
no, I need a
okay.
break. Oh, right the fucking spinal.
Oh, right, that's nice. It's over.
Up the back there.
Oh, did you see that spot? Oh, Chris, lift it back up.
Please don't shoot.
That's not like a hit.
You may as well just line up, you know? I'll fucking.
Well done, it's him, he's getting.
I'm doing the rest of your shots.
I'm only got 1 now.
Motherfucking piece of.
No, I'm doing 2, fuck you. Been waiting for this moment.
Wait, you've shot me about 90 times
I got no idea.
in general. I want 4 in a row.
Turn round, Brian.
4 in a row.
Turn round.
You give me 3 and you give me 1. Fucking end.
That felt mentally great.
Oh, ow.
Brian's last shot of the day. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Whoa. That was a pipsqueak fucking shot.
It was only pipsqueak because you just got shot 3 times. He's immune to the bullets now.
Should I stop recording?
Like, follow, subscribe.
To the console.
Fuck the panel.
Fuck panel.
Fuck panel.
Hold on. Just
Smoking on these niggas, you know what I'm saying?
a friendly reminder.
Nice, gang. A lot of gang shot.